Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video we'll be doing Origami Tiranga fan model. Let me show it to you how it looks. So this is the Origami Tiranga flag fan model. It looks really beautiful, and as the slogan goes, Har Ghar Tiranga. So go ahead and let's make this beautiful Tiranga flag fan model together. Let's begin the show. So guys, for this tricolor Tiranga fan model we'll need saffron, white and Indian green, and the blue color for the center portion. And these are A4 sheets, so you can pick any size sheet as per your wish. The final model will be of that size. So let's start. So first we'll take the saffron, fold it in the half like this, and then fold one flap on this side, other flap on this side. Basically you need to make the zigzag pattern, so I'm making it this way so that you can get an equidistant zigzag pattern. So now you have this one flap, just fold it like this, and again this flap you just fold it like this. This is the width we'll be keeping, this much basically. So after this, here you have this cut is there, right, a distinguishable line, so we'll fold it that way. So after this is fold, right, so we can fold it like this till here, and then we can roll it this way, so you can get a proper size strips, a proper size zigzag basically. So as you can see, like this you'll get. So similarly you need to make this entire page, and similarly you need to make these two as well. So let me finish all this and I'll be back. So guys, here we are done with the zigzag folding of all three. Now what we'll do is we'll fold this from the center like this to the equal half and press it tightly. We'll stick these two edges so that it forms something like this. This will be the top portion of the flag, and same we do it for green. And for the white we stick it in the center so that this forms the left and right portion like this. So let me glue these three portions, and then this orange part we'll glue it here, and we'll stick these two sides. And similarly for the green part, say we fold it like this, and then it will be like this basically. Forms a circular flag structure with orange at the top, left and right will be white, and the green at the bottom. So let me join these and I'll be back. So guys, this is how the final model looks like. As I said, I've stick these two, and then here in the corners I've applied some glue at the center so that this sticks and stays intact. Anyway, we'll keep the Ashoka Chakra here. So earlier in the start of this video I've showed you this piece, but later I thought let's pick a white color piece and then we'll draw the Ashoka Chakra on that. So I have cut a circle like this, and we'll draw the Ashoka Chakra on this, and then we'll be putting it in the center like this basically. So let me draw this and I'll be back. So guys, here as you can see I've drawn the Ashoka Chakra, and now we'll stick this at the center like this. So we'll apply some glue to this, and then we'll stick it, and then we'll align this entire flag, all the wings properly like this. So let me adjust the exposure. Yeah, so we'll align it properly like this so as to this looks really beautiful. So guys, I have stick the central Ashoka Chakra, and this is the final tricolor Tiranga flag fan model. You can also stick a piece of stick from the back just to put it somewhere, or you can stick this on your wall or somewhere you can put it. And that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and happy Independence Day. It's only 2 days left, so go ahead and make one and enjoy the Independence Day, and let's follow Har Ghar Tiranga on this Independence Day. Thank you. So guys, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. This was a very easy origami model, so go ahead and make one and enjoy the Independence Day. But don't forget to click on the bell icon and get notified first. Share and subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back next week. New content, new videos. Stay tuned. Take care, guys.